Today, I'll walk you through how to convert Excel to Google Sheets automatically, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly upload your Excel files to Google Sheets so you can access and edit your spreadsheets online with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. You can simply type Google into your search bar or use the link provided in the description below. This is your starting point for accessing all Google applications. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the top right corner, often referred to as the Apps icon. Click on it. This will open a menu with various Google services at your fingertips. From the Apps menu, locate and click on Sheets. This is where you'll be able to create and manage your spreadsheets. Now that you're in Google Sheets, look for the folder icon, which is typically located near the top left of the screen. Click on this folder icon to begin the upload process. This icon allows you to upload files from your computer directly into Google Sheets. Next, you'll see a tab labeled Upload. Click on this tab. This is where you can select the Excel file you wish to convert. Now it's time to upload your Excel file. Simply drag and drop your file into the designated area or click to browse your computer for the file. Once you've selected your file, it will begin to upload. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the process remains the same. Once the upload is complete, Google Sheets will automatically convert your Excel file and open it for you. This means you can start editing your spreadsheet right away without any hassle. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Excel file to Google Sheets automatically. This method not only saves you time, but also allows you to collaborate with others in real time. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.